A blessed day, dear learners, especially to our grade 5 pupils out there. I am Ma'am Marilyn Gutierrez and I will be joining you for an exciting lesson in English 5 as we learn new things about composing descriptive sentences using different kinds of adjectives. At the end of this lesson, you are going to define adjectives. Use adjectives to describe someone or something. Identify and use different kinds of adjectives in sentences. And appreciate the use of appropriate words to describe a person, a thing, or an event. Are you ready, kids? Alright, be prepared as we are about to start our exciting lesson on using kinds of adjectives. Let's have an exercises. For activity number 1, analyze each word and write A if it is an adjective and N if it is not. Write your answers in your notebook. Number 1, book. Number 2, write. Number 3, clean. Number 4, begin. Number 5, pretty. Number 6, study. Number 7, happy. Number 8, live. Number 9, delicious. Number 10, wonderful. Let's proceed for activity number 2. Pick out the adjectives inside the box and place them on the column accordingly. The first 3 adjectives are already provided. The choices inside the box are the following words: night, nervous, Philippine, two-page, tinikling, warm-blooded, sweet, second-hand. Proper adjectives: tinikling, dance. Compound adjectives: warm-blooded, animals. Predicate adjectives: Catherine is sweet. Let us try to deepen your understanding of the lesson with the next activities. Are you ready? Let's begin. Think of an adjective that matches the description. Write the adjective in your notebook. Number 1. A car that has just bought from a factory, blank car. Number 2. Countries in Asia like the Philippines and Singapore, blank countries. Number 3. An anniversary being celebrated on the 50th year, blank anniversary. Number 4. A car made of wood, blank chair. Number 5. A building with 10 floors, blank building. To understand more about our lesson, listen carefully. An adjective is a word that is used to describe a noun or pronoun. It helps you to express your ideas more clearly by allowing you to give additional information about the words. Adjectives also help the readers to make a clearer picture of what the writer is talking about. Recall your lesson on proper nouns. Remember that these are nouns that are capitalized and usually come from the names of people, cities, countries, brands, events, and the like. Like proper nouns, there are also adjectives that need to be capitalized. They are called proper adjectives. A proper adjective is a word that modifies nouns and pronouns. It is formed from a proper noun. Take a look at the table. Let us study the table below. Examples: adjective, Mitianas. Noun, residence. Whose residence? Mitianas. Next, adjective, Filipino. Noun, food. What kind of food? Filipino. Next, adjective, Waray. Noun, language. What kind of language? Waray. Medianas, Filipino, and Waray are proper adjectives. On the other hand, some adjectives are formed by joining two different words to give a new meaning. These adjectives are called compound adjectives. They are usually hyphenated to avoid confusion. Consider the following examples. Number 1. Our family enjoyed the 2-day vacation we had in Palawan. Number 2. Sara Hieronimo is a well-known singer. Moreover, there are other adjectives that come after a linking verb and modify the subject of the linking verb. They are called predicate adjectives. A predicate adjective is a subject complement, a word or a group of words that follows a linking verb or verb phrase such as is, am, were, taste, look, sound, have been, and did seem. Let us study the given sentences. Number 1. The dress looks elegant. In this sentence, the word elegant modifies the dress. Number 2. The food tastes good. In this sentence, the word good modifies the food. So far, you have encountered three types of adjectives: proper adjectives, compound adjectives, and predicate adjectives. The first two are usually written before the word they modify. Proper adjectives. I love Hungarian sausage. Do you speak the Cebuana dialect? Next, compound adjectives. Examples: a cyclops is a one-eyed monster. A good-looking actor has a new TV commercial. The last one, predicate adjective, are written from the word they modify and placed after a linking verb. Examples of a predicate adjectives. Lisa Soberano is pretty. Many doctors and nurses in our hospital are tired. Class, I hope that you have learned a lot from our lesson today. Bring out your activity sheets and answer the following activities. For activity number 1, letter A, identify whether the underlined word is a proper adjective, compound adjective, or a predicate adjective. Write only the letter that corresponds to your answer and write it on your notebook. Number 1. My cousin prefers Filipino food over Italian food. A. Proper adjective. B. Compound adjective. C. Predicate adjective. Number 2. A dog is a four-legged animal. A. Proper adjective. B. Compound adjective. C. Predicate adjective. For activity number 1, letter B, complete each sentences by supplying the appropriate adjective. Select your answer from the box and write it on your notebook. The choices inside the box are the following: 3-layered, good, 4-wheeled, Bicolano, 6-page. Number 3. Lara is a blank girl. Predicate adjective. Number 4. Do you enjoy spicy blank foods? Proper adjective. Number 5. Carlos aunt bought a blank vehicle. Compound adjective. Let us proceed for activity number 2. On your answer sheet, write only the letter that corresponds to your answer. Number 1. The word that is used to modify a noun or a pronoun is called A. An adjective, B. A verb, C. A preposition. Number 2. My father loves Filipino food. The underlined word is a blank. A. Proper adjective, B. Compound adjective, C. predicate adjective. Number 3. David bought a blank car. A. Two-door. B. Two-door. C. Two doors. Number 4. Noel is a handsome boy. The underlined word is a blank. A. A proper adjective. B. Compound adjective. C. Predicate adjective. Number 5. The owner of that big house has a blank dog. A. Well-behaved. B. Well-behaved. C. Well-behaved. And for activity number 3, use the following adjectives in a sentence. Write your answers on your answer sheet. Number 1, kind-hearted. Number 2, magical. Number 3, American. Number 4, blue-eyed. Number 5, soft. Class, I hope you enjoyed our lesson for today. I am happy that you were actively participated. Once again, this is Ma'am Marilyn Gutierrez, your teacher in English 5. Continue to tune in for our next lesson. God bless and have a good day ahead.